Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, January the 4th, and this is the Moneyball Morning Report for the Benzinga Pro platform. We continue to move in the range that I suspected that we would. We've got ourselves a little bit of a fade, a lot of frontline motion that should continue to lift. I do not believe we are in a buy the dip quite yet. Here's why. Have we stopped making a lower low? Now, today, we can see that we're holding near this edge, but are drifting just below it, and yesterday's low is still the low, I believe. Maybe we're just kissing it right now. Yep, just kissing it right now, and you're going to see buyers try to come in here. It's at the bottom of our ribbon. It's also near the top of this wick gap right here, near 47.37. So give the chart a little bit of motion to move through this zone and then bounce, all right? If we bounce, which I expect we will, there are going to be a lot of people trying to buy this dip, we should be able to recapture 47.61 if price action is doing what it's supposed to. If not, we won't get past 47.51. So that's really what we've got to remember. Any kind of bounces need to first get past 47.51, and then we can look at 47.61. I still believe that bounces are going to fail in this current formation. Do I have any proof that it will? Of course not. I won't know the proof until after. But you can see we are clearly underneath the tight moving averages and trying to fill out support zones. We just had a jobs number event, and this is where people are going to try and bounce. So if you want to anticipate it, wait on that tight time frame and start moving up. If we look at the corollary on the SPY, you can see the same kind of behavior, right? We've got to get up over this 469. Really, it's about 469.50, 470. If not, we're going to try and kiss this edge around the 467 zone and then bounce. Or the traders could chop around here and try to put in a low. Listen, we still are not below the low of yesterday. That's a pretty good sign, but it's a weak signal because the price action is telling us I'm making lower highs and lower lows. But these are the two levels to look at today. Remember, look at the two candles to the left and allow them to help you position with risk in mind so that if you're wrong, you can come back and trade in another direction. Let's take a look at the NQ. I will be on Fast Markets today on Top Step TV. Would love to see some of you there. You can go to YouTube and find Top Step TV if you like. So here we have this one triggered yesterday. Again, does it lose the level? It did, but it tried to bounce. The failure to hold the edge tells us that that's where our problem is, right? Can we hold this edge? If not, you know what? We've got ourselves a formation that says, hey, I've got more downside action, right? And so the goal there is then the same thing. Where are these traders going? Look, they're way under the ribbon. I think they're going down here, right? I think people are in clear sector rotation, and that is what is happening quite a bit in the NQs. 16,383, and then the low here, 6.